Hello everyone and welcome back to QuesTech. This is Vivav and once again I am here with an interesting topic. As we learned in our previous video that Python is the topmost trending language. Let's know more about it. Let's get started with introduction to Python. Python is ruling the programming world. Guido rossum is the author of Python. In 1989 he introduced Python. In the late 1980s, Van Rossum began work on Python at the National Institute of Maths and Computer Science in the Netherlands. It's also known as CWI. Python. Is this name is because of Python snake? No, absolutely not. Our Python's author, Guido Van Rossum, is big fan of British comedy movie called A Monty's Python's Flying Circus. Because of this movie, the language named as Python. If we talk about the version of Python, in 1984 the first version 1.0 is arrived, then the next 2.0 is arrived in 2000, and then 3.0 is arrived in 2008, and the latest release in Python is 3.7 and 3.8. These are the current versions. Unlike other languages, Python versions are very differ from each other. Python is the fastest growing language. Developers love it. We have so many libraries. Not only libraries, if we talk about applications, Python nailed it. In every area of programming, Python is used. For example, in machine learning, GUI design, software development, web development, and the main AI, artificial intelligence, is fully covered by the Python language. You can use it everywhere, and because of these, it is also known as general purpose language. It is a interpreted, object oriented, and high level language with easy syntax. It's very easy to code. And if we talk about the procedural language, you can also use it. In today's struggling world, everybody wants this simple language, and believe me, Python is that language. That's why school and colleges are adopting Python, because it's simple, easy to learn, and easy to use. Now the question arises, which company are using Python? So take a look. Google, YouTube, Dropbox, yes, Netflix, NASA, Yahoo, and you don't believe, Reddit is fully coded into the Python. Netflix uses it for deep learning, NASA uses for data science, and so many applications are there in many companies. And here a specialty of Python. Python does not use curly braces. It uses indentation in place of curly braces. If we talk about the future, Python will cover a large market in IT sector. Top paid jobs are offered to Python developers, and also a good job market developed for Python developers. Future is AI, which is fully covered by Python. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel QuesTech and press bell icon for further notification.